Why is that every time you try to plug in a USB cable, it never works on the first try? You flip it, still wrong, flip it again, and somehow it magically works.
What?
This isn't just bad luck, it's actually a design flaw that has annoyed millions of people for decades. When USB was invented back in the 1990s, the goal was to make a cheap universal connector for all devices. But here's the catch. The engineers knew they could make it reversible. They even discussed it. The problem? Cost. Making USB reversible would have required double the pins, more complex wiring, and more expensive cables. At the time, the priority was to keep it simple and affordable, not necessarily user-friendly. So instead, they went with a one-sided design and accidentally created one of the most frustrating experiences in tech history. That's why it feels like you always need 3 tries to get it in. Here's the funny part. The inventor of USB later admitted it was a mistake. And years later, USB-C finally fixed the issue by being fully reversible. But by then, the USB struggle had already become a universal human experience.